That's right, Skrillex, Verion, former beggars, LA, London, Dubai. About to get rowdy right now.
Yeah, and my old sound fatter. I make an next guy look like an actor. So I'm man and them a war like they matter. But when I touch mic, I see them man scatter. And they want it to big, but when it comes to bringing the birds, they can't splatter. So I tell them, relax yourself, go home to your mum and stop being a catter. Many guys wanna par, many guys are gonna take this thing far. Many guys are gonna be some big stars, but soon enough them and about to get slapper. So there's no need for chatter, no need for anything cheap, but that's that. Anybody begging a thing for you, smack up, back up, fam, I need to round back.
Meanwhile,
breakdown.
I'm breaking the sweat.
It's alright.
I'm breaking the sweat.
I say it's alright.
I'm breaking the sweat.
It's alright.
Breaking the sweat.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Come on, baby, light my fire. That's good. That's good. Robbie, yeah. Let's kick ass.